And just like that, there it is. Nothing to it. So the equipment, the holes, everything's supposedly here. So they called me, not tomorrow, but July 17th. We're supposed to start setting stuff. So we'll get back to you then. So we're getting the concrete out, getting that ready. I'll be interested to show setting the poles up. That should be really interesting. Your first job at Pioneer? Oh, okay, cool. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like 92 today again. Oh, great. Oh, the 90s were over.
So we have concrete in the holes, and then they are dropping in a pad for the pole to set on. I'll catch that when they take the next one out.
Oh, yeah.
So due to them playing music in the background, I'm going to have to voice over some of these. But after they put the cement in, of course, they're putting what they called pills in to set the posts on, which is what they're doing here. And here, of course, they're just dropping the poles in to get ready to set them upright and go from there. So I'm guessing this is the way we sort of tamp them down and try to get them square. Yep. So now they're just setting them up and getting them plumb, and they're putting in a mix of stone and dirt and concrete, and then it's supposed to set up and hold the poles. Let's hope that works. Okay, so I'll tell you what, it's taller than what I really thought. Of course, I wanted a 14-foot building, and once we get the roof on there and stuff, I wanted the higher doors so that I could fit my backhoe in if I have to work on it. So
Go for it.
So I'm thinking now, since they have room, they will actually use the telehandler to help set the poles, which I'm glad for, because that looks like a pain to actually do all that manually. That's the way to do it. Push the dirt with that into the holes. Easier, that's for sure. So being a nice guy that I am, and most people probably won't do this, but I asked them if it'd be more convenient if they could use my skid steer, and they said it would make a definite difference. So I don't care. It doesn't matter if I'm running it or somebody else, as long as I know what they're doing, and it helps them out, makes their job easier. So it's coming together more. All the poles are standing upright. So onward and upward. Boy, that baby's taller than what I thought. That's what I wanted, but holy crap is that up in the air, and it don't even have the trusses up yet. Oh well. So the poles are going up. They're all standing up.
Now we're putting up other parts of the pole barn. I was lamenting in the video at how tall this baby is, but that's what I want it to fit stuff in, and it'll be just right.
So my guess is they're going to put this header up soon, because we got this all set up. So I'm going to try and get that. Looks interesting.